Hi friends, this is Suman Jain and you're watching this video in order to understand how I gained 1 lakh views every month from past 2 months doing simple videos on sharing the simple tips and tricks on digital marketing and on about social medias, right? So let me show you the proof, okay? You can see this is what is my channel, and you can see earlier when I used to do the videos, you can see the thumbnails which I used to do it. Okay, the quality of the thumbnails has been improved as of now. You can see when I started my career like 2 years back, I was like really not doing well, but even then I used to get a lot of responses. You can see over here this particular video has got about 16,000 views 2 years ago, which where I started, and after that I was really not consistent, and you can see a lot of videos which even did not had a thumbnail. Okay, so you can see the qualities of videos, but even then, even with these kind of review videos which I used to make, I used to generate little leads and few sales as well, but I wasn't really focused on what I used to do it. But recently in just 2 months I have gained, every month I gained about 1 lakh views or 1 million views for my channel, which actually increased even my subscribers as well. So let me show you the proof. So this is what my creative studios is all about, and you can see my thumbnails also, the quality of my thumbnail has been improved. Okay, so let me take you over here. Okay, let me take you the analytics, okay, for the past 28 days. Okay, and after that I would even show you on past month as well. Okay, so you can see the analytics. Okay, you can see the last 28 days, and today's date is like 22nd October. You can see this is 25th, from 25th September to 22nd October. If you can see for the last 28 days, you can see the views which I have. It's more than 1,44,000, right? So it is more than that what I am saying. Okay, and you can see the watch videos. This particular video has had these many watch time, and you can see how my these videos are supporting it. Okay, so this is one, and again I just want to show you the last month, the September month. Okay, you can see even with the September month I had about 1 lakh views. Okay, 1,18,000 views, which is definitely very good for any growing channels. Okay, if I can do it, I believe anybody can do it. Okay, so you can see what I had, what kind of videos I'm making it, and you can see this particular video had these many views, and this particular video had these many views, and I only did was focus on making videos, plus at the same time I even did a paid ads. I paid somewhere between $5 to $8 or $10 for this particular watch time and the views which I've got it. For this I've paid nearly about some 500 rupees, or for this I've paid about some 200 rupees, and for this definitely I paid about 2,000 rupees. But even for 2,000 rupees, if you can get these many views, it's definitely very good. So in my next video I would be explaining you how to do this, but along with this I would be sharing you the tips and tricks of what I'm following it. Okay, so the first trick would be consistency. Okay, whenever you're doing your videos, you need to be really consistent. Okay, so if you are consistent, you can see there's a graph. You can see here how, if you can see here the graphs, if you can see the graphs. Okay, if you can see the graphs, you can see there's a lot of views and a lot of potential, and when we are making the videos as well. So you need to understand, you need to be really consistent. Okay, as a consistent, it means that at least in a week you need to make about 5 to 6 videos, or 5 videos, or 3 videos. If whatever you plan it has to be really consistent. For this week, if you are making 3 videos, even for the next week it cannot be less than 3. It can be more, but it cannot be less than 3. So make sure you make videos on a daily basis, so that it gets ranked, it get noticed, it even get more views. Because I just wanted to show you even the watch time, the live watch time as well. That makes a lot of difference. If you can see this week, okay, if you can see this week where I've made a lot of videos, you can see I have about these many, and I've made nearly about some 7 videos, which are just if you can see here, this is about this week. If you can see here, okay, this is about I've created 2 days back. If you can see, created on 20th October, which is 2 days back. If you can see again, it is 1 day back. If you can say it's again 2 days back, so it's about 2 days back. Yeah, 1 day back. It's on for the last month. So if you can see, if you are consistently, the watch time increases. Okay, so in a day, if you can make one video for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or even for 2 minutes also, that also makes a lot of difference for your YouTube channels. Okay, so be consistent. Okay, the second tip for you would be is post frequently. As I shared, when I started my career, I was definitely not focused. I was really not frequently doing videos. I used to do in a week sometimes 4 videos, and for 2 months I never used to do any videos. Okay, and I was just thinking that YouTube is not for me. But definitely, if you are consistent, then definitely YouTube is really crazy for you guys. Because if this can work for you, it can work for anyone. You can see the last week I had 184 for past weeks, and this week I have about 205. It's keep on increasing, right? So if you be consistent, if you play consistently, and you can see a lot of more of details over here with the traffic sources, with the playback locations, demographic, and audience retentions, which is again a very important factors. And again, this is an interaction reports, how your video has been watched and from where the video has been watched. Each and every information you get it over here. And even with the, if it is the demographics from which is a country which is watching for you, so you can focus your videos on that particular places. At the same time, you wanted your video to be watched into your native languages or into your own countries, and definitely being consistency will being consistent and frequently posting your videos will make your help your subscribers to be wait for your videos on a regular and daily basis. Okay, so you can see these kind of notifications and traffic sources, which, right? So yeah, so you can see here, like YouTube search, you had about some 32 minutes people watched. It's definitely crazy. And if we take for at least this month, okay, for this month watch time, you can see there's a lot more of difference, right? So if you can see here, external sources, we had this, and again it's a suggested videos also gives you a lot more of views, and which makes your channels more interesting. So you only have to focus on the content, and every day if you can do at least 4 videos for 5 minutes or even for 10 minutes, your channel would scale up in a fraction of 3 months to 6 months. Definitely it's little it takes a little time, but as I shared, if you be consistently and posting your videos frequently related to the topic, then definitely people would come and watch your videos and like and share your videos as well as you're doing to my this video. So you can subscribe to my channel and get notified the same kind of videos which I'm making on a daily and a regular basis by providing tips and tricks on scaling your digital marketing skills. So now third one is planning in advance. Okay, so yes, definitely you need to plan in advance with the help of I just want to show you, like, these were the plannings which I do it. If you can see, I create, you know, I just create the topics on what kind of topics which I need to make up videos, and after that I even play on the keywords. So this particular keywords, what kind of keywords I need to focus, and you know, like I do it on an Excel sheet. You can even do on Word. You can even do on Google Calendar. You need to plan. Okay, if you can see, I have about, so far I have about like 24 videos which I've planned, and I've made nearly about some 12 videos, definitely, because there are a few topics which I was not interested, or which I was just thinking, yes, I need to do it, and I haven't done it. But definitely even these videos are making a lot of difference to my channel, and you can see there's a lot of views also, because few of my videos are a little lengthy, because I'm providing tutorials on how to make an images for the Facebook ads or YouTube ads, or how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube. So how you can do it for free of cost without paying for any workshops and angles. So these kind of topics definitely gets more interested, get more viewed, and if you're helping other people, then definitely your channel will get more highlighted. Okay, So you need to plan in advance as I'm doing it. You can even make a use of a Google Calendar, because that makes also a lot of difference, because it has been planned on a Google Calendar at this particular day and at this particular time. I need to make this number of videos. I need to do little researches for that, and after that I need to post the videos on this particular time. So it should be plan accordingly so that you can play a lot more of difference into your life. Okay, so the fourth one is the title, the descriptions, and the thumbnail. Okay, so definitely title, descriptions, and the thumbnail makes a lot of difference. Okay, when I started my career, I never gave any thought about that, but later when I got to know about it, and you can see there's a lot of views for this particular month, a lot of people have been watched it, so you can see there's lot more of traffic to my channel as well. So even if I was not consistently earlier, but again now in the span of 2 months, as I showed the proof also, that every month I'm getting nearly about more than 1 lakh views. Okay, more than 1 lakh views without paying any money, or I just paid a few amounts, somewhere between 3,000 rupees, which is nearly about $50, okay, to my account, so that I can get these number of views. Okay, so I can get these number of people, and as per that I only paid 3,000 rupees or $50, but I made nearly about $1,000, around 65,000 rupees, Indian rupees, with my promotions, because I'm an affiliate marketer. I even promote from my YouTube videos as well. So I spent 3,000, I made more than 10 times of that particular amount. I'm sorry, more than 7 times more of that particular amount, so which is really crazy. So you need to spend little amount for that. Okay, I'm even making a videos on how I've got this new post. You can watch that video below this channel. Okay, so that is the fourth one, and the main important element which we have today is the research. The fifth point is the research, because if you don't do any research, if you don't plan about what you need to make at this particular day, then definitely your YouTube channel doesn't work. You can see over here how to make money online, YouTube Premium features, YouTube Premium feature launch, Facebook pixels. Okay, it was actually planned. Okay, I have done even research on these the particular keywords where people are actually searching it. How you need to do it? I'm just opening an YouTube. Okay, I'm just opening an YouTube, and I'm just randomly was selecting like what kind of videos I can make. So what I did is I just searched over here, how to, if you can see, I get a lot more of views, and you can see with 1 month you have nearly about 90,000 searches on this particular keyword. So I was just thinking, okay, what kind of videos I can make as per these kind of keywords, and after that I just removed it. And if you can see, make money online also was one of my other keyword for the same videos which I would be making it. They were around 74,000, and make money online fast was like 8,100 views. So in these type of views I used to make a research for my YouTube channel and for my YouTube videos, so which was related to my channel. Okay, so you can see these kind of research which I have made, and the content I used to always do a little research on Google. I used to do a lot of research, and even whatever I am doing the videos, it has been I have worked on those techniques and tips which I'm sharing today, because this is what is working for me. Consistency of if you're posting, doing your videos very frequently, the second point. And the third point was planning in advance, which is most important. If you can plan ahead somewhere rarely for a month, definitely it's a good deal. And the fourth one is title, descriptions, thumbnail, and definitely the keywords. Okay, definitely the keywords makes even a lot of differences to your channel. And the fifth one was research, because research, you do it on the topic. If there is a research, as I shared with you, what kind of research is, any keywords has to be there. If you're making a videos and if it doesn't have even a search, then what's this use, right? If you can see these kind of videos I make it, they have lot number of views. So you need to do a research in that way. Okay, like premiums, if you can see, there's a lot of searches. And if we are doing videos on something called a very vague topic, or if there is only 20 or 30 searches, then no point of making the videos which don't have any searches. Okay, at least you making a videos should have at least a number of 10,000 or 20,000 more than above, so that your video also get highlighted, even your videos get watched for a certain amount of time. So in this way, these are the basic tips and tricks. And for my ads on YouTube YouTube, where I actually helped me to gain lot more of difference to my channel, where I'm making a video. So below this video you would find even the link for that particular video. You can watch this video, how I got really a very good views to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the bell icon below the video and subscribe to my channel. Like and share this channel, and if you have any question, just comment below this video. Thank you so much.